The invention of the defibrillator, a shock to save lives. Imagine witnessing someone collapse from cardiac arrest. What could you do? Thanks to defibrillators, countless people survive these emergencies. By delivering an electric shock to the heart, defibrillators help restore normal rhythms during sudden cardiac arrest, making them essential in emergency medicine. Defibrillator research began in the 1930s when scientists experimented with electric shocks on animals. The first portable defibrillators for hospital use arrived in the 1960s, allowing immediate treatment and raising survival rates for patients with cardiac arrest. Since then, defibrillators have become accessible and user-friendly. Automated external defibrillators, or AEDs, are now found in airports, malls, and schools, letting non-medical personnel save lives quickly and safely. These AEDs analyze heart rhythms and deliver a shock only when needed, with clear instructions for users. Today, cardiac arrest remains a leading cause of death, but defibrillators have saved countless lives. The American Heart Association reports that bystander use of AEDs more than doubles survival rates for cardiac arrest victims. Defibrillators are a milestone in medical technology, moving from an experimental tool to a life-saving device anyone can use. As research continues, defibrillators will remain crucial in fighting cardiac deaths, giving more people a second chance with just the push of a button.